So in that month, my channel made a total of... What's up, good people of YouTube? My name is Kevin Crow, and I'm here to tell you about my first month of monetization on YouTube. My YouTube channel got monetized on June 4th, 2021. Not this one, before you come at me in the comments. My other channel was monetized on June 4th, 2021, and I wanted to make a video to show you how much money I made. I think this video could help some people because I know when I was trying to reach the monetization goal, when I had my eyes on the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time that it takes to get monetized on YouTube, I kept thinking, how much am I gonna make in my first month? I don't think it's gonna be a lot, but you know, how much will I make? It was exciting. But when I Googled videos about it, when I searched on YouTube trying to figure out how much money can you make in your first month of monetization, I kept finding really vague answers like, it really just depends on your niche, or well, it really depends on this factor or that factor. And I'm just like, I just want to know how much money you made. Tell me how much money you made. And that's what I'm going to do in this video. I know it's true that it depends on a lot of factors how much money you're going to make, but people want real numbers. So here are mine. At the time that I got monetized on June 4th, my channel had 1,539 subscribers. I hit the 1,000 subscriber requirement a good deal before I hit the 4,000 watch hours. So it was just a waiting game. I was trying to put out good content, trying to get enough people to watch it to where I could get to that 4,000 hours. And it finally happened on June 4th. So for my first month, we're gonna look from June 4th to July 4th and see how much money did my channel make. I made 13 videos in that time period, and I had somewhere in the neighborhood of 100 videos made before the monetization. Just for some more numbers for you. In that 1 month period, I had 9,400 views, so I was getting roughly 300 views a day. Some days more, some days less. Not huge, but I know that those numbers will increase as my channel grows, you know? So in that month, my channel made a total of, drum roll,
for God's sakes, just give me the damn number!
$43.25. Actually, a little bit more than I thought it was gonna make. I was thinking probably about $1 a day, and it did a little bit better than that. $4.20 of that was from channel memberships. I have channel memberships enabled on my channel at $2.99 a month, and of that $2.99, I get to keep $2.10 each, so that's $4.20 for 2 members that I had. So if you take those channel memberships away, that $4.20, then I made $39.05 from YouTube ads in my first 30 days of monetization. Not a lot, but it's a start. Also, I might add that I'm in a niche that is probably not the most popular for advertisers, you know, so I'm not in the business niche or niche, however you want to say it. I actually like saying niche, but I also feel like I come off as a little pretentious when I say it that way.
Who is this ghastly man?
But I'm not in the most popular niche for advertisers. It's not business, it's not tech or anything like that. It's a little bit more sensitive material. I'm recording this video on August 4th, so I'm 2 months in now, and the total amount of revenue that I've made from YouTube is $107.03. But some of that money was from super chats. I had $25 in super chats, which actually my cut was $17. So I've made about $90 total just from ads in my first 2 months on YouTube. So there you go, some actual tangible numbers. So maybe you'll have an idea of how much money you might make in your first month of monetization on YouTube. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time for more ideas on how you can monetize your passion.